Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to embed YouTube video in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. I will use presentation, so I click it. Next, we can go to apps and then search Canva apps. We can type YouTube embed and then click to search. And we can find YouTube embed apps. Click to open it. And we can click the open button to use it. Next, we can choose the YouTube video that we want to embed. Actually, we can search from YouTube. Before doing this, we can copy the code of YouTube video. For example, I go to my channel and use this video for AV size in Canva. Click it and I stop it here. And then we can find the code here. I copy this code, press Ctrl C, and then go back to Canva and search from YouTube. I press Ctrl V and press Enter. Then we can find the video in my channel. I click it. Then we can put the video into Canva. So if we go to full screen preview, we can click the button to preview it. I make the video milk. So this is how we can embed YouTube video into Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video we will share with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.